um, you have this thing called tone quality, and we want to have a ringing sound in our tone quality. So, a way of thinking of getting that ringing sound in your tone quality is if you have ever had a Coke bottle and you blew across the top of it. Have you ever done that?
Yeah.
And like depending how much liquid, there's a higher sound or a lower sound,
Yeah.
But it makes, no matter how much liquid, it makes kind of a hooting sound,
Yes.
right?
Mm-hmm.
And we can kind of recreate that Coke bottle sound with our vocal tract by opening in the back like we're yawning, right? And we could practice opening right now.
Uh-huh.
Oh, like you can.
Oh.
You can lift your soft palate. You can let your jaw lower,
Yeah.
and you can let your tongue go down. So you're opening lots of space in the back of your mouth, and then we can kind of simulate the top of the Coke bottle by partially blocking the exit route of our vocal tract by bringing our lips into an ooh vowel shape.
Uh-huh.
And keeping the open shape in the back at the same time. So open in the back and then more closed in the front, and we get a woo, woo,
Oh.
woo,
Ooh.
woo.
Ooh.
Listen to mine once and see if you can hear how mine sounds more hooty.
Yeah.
Another example would be an owl.
Mm-hmm.
Have you ever heard an owl in real life?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's some owls out here in the woods, and it's like quite the distinctive sound in in nature when you're not expecting to hear it. So you can think of that, or you can think of that Coke bottle sound. But listen to me. Woo, 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 woo. Do you hear how mine sounds?
I hear it.
Taller.
I hear it.
And more of a ringing sound than what you're getting.
Yes, I do.
So now just thinking about that, just try to copy what I did, and let's see what happens.
Well, I don't know that I can copy it, but I hear it, what you're saying.
But I mean, just try to copy it. Just think of it and see what happens. So right here, I'm going to touch you. Sorry, this is your larynx. Right here. Do you feel that?
Yeah.
Don't try to move this around. Try to keep it just relaxed. Bring your jaw down.
Yeah.
And then, now stop and listen again. Whoo! Whoo! Do you hear also how I sort of sound lighter?
I hear everything you're saying.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not able to imitate it.
Well, it's okay. I'm just going to keep saying, do you hear this? And now try again.
Okay.
And we'll just keep doing that over and over again until I feel happy.
Okay.
And it's no pressure. Can you try making your sound a little softer? Let's see what that sounds like. So, do you hear this Kermit the Frog kind of sound?
Yes.
Can you do that on purpose? That you know how
Kermit the Frog. It's my natural. I don't have to do it on purpose. It's my natural way to do it.
And now think of opening like like you're having a baseball like shoved down your throat. How you would have to open. Can you feel that? And now bring your lips a little closer together. Ooh. Don't push quite so hard. Just let the sound come out a little lighter. Woo. Here's this. So this is my bottom of my jaw, and then up through my cheek.
Yeah.
I'm imagining the sound going like that.
Okay.
Woo. Woo. Think of the sound coming more forward, like through the, like if the sound was shooting through the roof of your mouth, right under your nose. Is that like if there was a hole there and the sound, your voice was shooting out through that little hole? Let's see what effect that has on you.
I think that's enough. I just have to practice, and we could do this whole session practicing, and I might not even get close to it. But I have to practice like every day or every, maybe in a few weeks. Who knows? like worth of practice might get me there, but it's not natural for me to come up with that sound. So it's like I know what I'm trying, what you sound like, and what I'm aiming for. It's just that
it's hard for you to find.
yes.
Well, it is hard to find.
Yes.
It is hard to find. So hopefully if you listen to this video,
Okay.
I find when I listen back to the video, it's almost like a magnifying glass for your eyes,
Yeah.
but like orally, like for your ears.
Yeah.
I hear more mistakes. Like even if I were to listen to this right now, I would hear more things in your voice that I didn't notice live
I hear
for
you.
some reason.
Yeah.
I don't know why that is, but when you listen back to it and you hear me say little adjustments like, oh, try this, and then you hear yourself trying, you'll hear more insights
Okay.
if you can try it, and then try it again at home. And then we'll see how this sounds next time. Do you have any
Yeah.
questions or anything?
No.
Okay, great.